Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and this is Soup Saturday, my friends. It is Saturday and I'm going to be making some soup. So I want to show you a few things that I got from the West Indian store in order to make my soup. Here we go. The bread is not a part of the soup, my friends, but while I was at the store, those warm hard dough breads came in and I couldn't resist. I had to buy one because I haven't eaten one in a long time. They're nice, they're fresh, they're warm, and I had to pick up one. So, and just like the breads, my friends, I saw these are June plums, and they are from the Caribbean islands. I don't know if all the Caribbean islands have June plum, but Jamaica does for sure. And it has like a big seed inside and very prickly seed. It's really delicious, and I saw these and I had to pick up some. So I'm going to eat that with some salt on it and cut them up in small slices, and I'm also going to put a link below to my friend's Root Girl Chin's channel. Go and check it out, my friend. She makes juice out of these. Absolutely delicious. And I got myself some ripe plantain, my friends. I'm going to put a link below to that video of how to fry ripe plantain, because apparently some people don't know how. And there's a story behind that. You can check out my video on that. So I picked these up for a nice little breakfast this morning. So on with it, my friends. I picked up some stuff to make some soup today. Actually going to make some chicken foot soup. I do have a video of that, my friends. I'm going to put the link below as well to this video. So I got myself some chicken foot to make some soup. You say chicken feet, I say chicken foot. And I'm just going to make some nice lovely soup today, Saturday. It is a nice day for a cup of soup. Yeah. So I also got myself some sweet potatoes to go into the soup, my friends. And this sweet potato, I think they're from Honduras, if I'm not right. We do use the same sweet potato as well in our soup. So I'm going to be adding some wonderful sweet potatoes in my soup. I also got myself a nice piece of yellow yam to go into my soup as well. Now when I went into the store, it looked so nice and fresh, my friends. And I do have some that I always freeze just in case I want to make some soup. But I got this nice yellow one. It looks so good in the store. So I picked up a nice fresh piece to put in my chicken foot soup. I got myself some green banana as well, my friends. I'm not going to put the green banana in the soup. However, I bought it just to have some to eat with some kidneys. I do have a video. I'll also put that below of me cooking kidneys and eating with green banana. And I also have a video of how to cook green banana, because I do cook mine in the skin. I got some garlic to go into my soup because I love lots of garlic in my soup. And I got myself a piece of pumpkin because I love pumpkin in my soup, because it makes the soup so rich and orangey and lovely, and so I got myself a piece of Jamaican pumpkin, my friends. Yummy. I'm going to cut this up actually and put some in the freezer so that I can have it to make some pumpkin rice and also make some soup probably next week as well. So making soups on Saturday is a part of the old country tradition. So I've continued it, and I love my soups, my friends. So all the other ingredients for the soup, my friends, I already had it on hand, and some I just took from the garden and made this wonderful soup. Thank you for watching, my friends. Let's go ahead and say it. This is my time and I deserve something better.